I hope you people understood what is an interface, right? Now, let me write one example. Okay. So now we'll create one project case. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So now we'll create one project, right? Java project. So what is the project name here? Interface, right?
Yes.
Interface demo something. Okay. This is the project name, Java SE11, and here next SRC finish. So now, right now in the SRC folder, I'm going to write new. Okay. Now let me add first interface. Okay. Your package. I'm giving default package. Fine. Or else you want me to the same package. Let me give. Tell me com.tech.station. Okay, this is our package. So now, what is the name, interface name here? Car. Okay. So car is an interface. Click on finish. Okay. So now interface is created, right? So now in this interface, tell me what are the methods, guys? Yesterday we discussed it, right? Engine, body, steering, start. Tell me. First one is what?
Engine.
Right. Void engine. Okay. Next one is what, guys?
Body.
Body.
Right. Body. Okay. So now, right. Let me put a public. Next, tell me what is the other one? Public void. Steering,
Steering start.
Steering, start, wheels, brake, clutch, accelerator, gears, right? Steering. What is the next one? Public void.
Start.
Start method. Next one. Public void. Start method after that. Wheels, wheels. Right. Next one. Public void. CLUTCH clutch. Next one. Public void. What is the other one? Clutch.
Gears.
Accelerator, I think. Next one. Public void. Brake. The next one. Public void what? The last one. What is the last one, guys? Gates. Okay. So these are the what, guys? Business rules. Okay. So that's what we declared them as what? Method declarations. Fine. So this is an interface. Fine. So now here to implement this car, so definitely these are the what you call method declarations. So who will provide implementation for these method declarations, guys? Come on, tell me. Who is going to
class.
implementation for these methods, guys? Definitely child classes, right? So now we will write child classes, guys. In the same package, I'm writing what? One class. So which class now? Okay. So here Maruti, right? Maruti car. Fine. So this is the class name. Superclass java.lang.object. Okay. Here. Okay. Fine. Let me complete. We will write it, guys. Our own we will write. Fine. So now let me write one more class. Java class. Tell me what is the other class, guys? Toyota, na? Toyota. Toyota car. Okay.
Yes.
So same. Let me finish. So now I will create one more class called bench car. Okay. Fine. So now if you see, first of all, what? Maruti car, right? So now in the Maruti car, this is the Maruti car, right? So now, so public class Maruti car. Okay, here. So now this is what, guys? Class. So in this is what? Implemented class. Okay, from where? The interface. So now we want to implement the interface, right? See, that's what here. What is the keyword we need to use? Implements. Understand? Implements car. Public class Maruti car implements car. See here, implements. So now in this car, in this class, what we are doing? We are providing implementation for interface called car. Understand? So now in this class, what we are going to provide, guys? Implementations for, okay, interface called car. We are going to provide implementations for the methods which are declared in interface car. So that's what here. What is the keyword we have to use? Implements. Understand? Public class Maruti car implements car, guys. Okay. Class, how can implement the interface by using implements keyword? Okay. How the one class can use the functionalities of another class, guys? By using EJ relation, right? The EJ relation means what? By using which keyword? Extends keyword, right? In the same way, so now this car is what, guys? Interface. So now who has to provide implementation for this? Okay, interface called car. Interface is what? Fully abstract class, right? So we are not having any implemented methods until 1.7. Okay. So now who has to provide implementation for this car? Definitely the child classes. Understand? So that's what I'm creating, what? One child class, right? For this interface. So now in this child class, what I'm doing now, I'm providing implementation for, okay, the methods what we have in interface called car. So that's what here. What is the keyword I am using? Implements. Clear? Everyone?
Yes.
So now, so this is the what, guys? Child class for this interface. So now you tell me, okay, I need to provide implementation for what? All these methods. Okay, I need to provide implementation for this, all these methods, guys. Okay, now tell me which method is first one?
Engine.
See, okay, see, add an implement method. See, now what I'm doing now? I'm providing implementation for all the abstract methods what we have in interface. I think hope you people know, right? So child class, see, in the abstract class also we discussed. So if you have any abstract methods in super class, in child class, what we have to do? We have to provide implementation for those abstract methods which are in super class. Otherwise, what will happen? Our child class will become what? Abstract class, right? So that's what we discussed, right? So here, now that's what I am providing, what? Implementation for all these abstract methods. Okay. So now class Maruti car implements car interface. Fine. Right. So now So implements car interface means in car interface, what are the methods we have? So these are the methods: engine, body, steering, right? So we need to provide implementation for those methods, right? So now engine method I'm providing implementation for Maruti car 1240cc engine. Fine. So now body, right? So in the body, let me copy the same. I'm providing something, guys, here. Okay. I'm adding something. So sys out. What here? So body. We are using, okay, normal metals to build body. Okay, fine. So now here steering. So now here tell me what is the steering here. Okay, so normal steering, something, guys. Okay, here no, this body, I mean this method implementation is not important here, right? So here what we need to know, what is the interface concept, start method. So here by using key we can start a car, right? Start a car. So next, wheels. What are the wheels we have? Here we are having, right? We are having 4 normal wheels with the wheel caps, right? Clutch. Something normal clutch. Okay, accelerator. Fine. So brakes. Just gates. Five gates. Okay. Fine, guys. So now this is the what, guys? One of the implementation for car interface.
Yeah, fine.
Right. Now Maruti car is ready. Understand? So now we save it. Save it. Fine. So now like this we have what, guys? Toyota car. Right? So now Toyota car. Tell me implements. Interface means what? Implements
Implements
car. Okay.
car.
Don't worry. We will see. Okay. What are the rules we have to follow while implementing interface? Okay. So let me complete this example first. Then we will see. Fine. So now we have to implement what, guys? So the same methods, right? Let me copy here. The same methods, right? Let me copy from here. Fine. So now here what? Toyota car may be different. Okay. So here what? 3600cc. The engine capacity will be different. Okay. 3060cc here engine we have. So for Toyota car. But suppose body we are using ultra metal something, guys. Ultra metals to build body. Okay. So here what? Power steering. Now start by using key and push. Okay, by using key and push button by using key or push button we can start a car. Fine. No. So what is the other one? Start method. By using key or push button we can start a car. So now what is our wheels? We are having, okay, alloy wheels. We are having 4 alloy wheels. Okay, fine. alloy wheels doesn't have any wheel caps, guys. So now clutch having 4 alloy wheels, normal clutch, normal accelerator, something power brakes, or disc brakes. Okay, let me put disc brakes. Right. So now here what? Let me put 6 gears. So this is what, guys? Toyota car. Right. So now the same way, let me go with what? Bench. Now bench car implements what?
Car interface.
Implements car interface. Right. So now let me copy here the methods. Bench car IMPLE implements, right? Implements car C capital. Fine. So now here engine, right? Maybe 5000 cc engine. Okay. So now right, ultra metals. So now normal steering.
Power steering.
Ultra power steering we will keep. Okay. Start method by using key or push or voice control. We can start a car. Okay, and wheels having 4 ultra alloy wheels. Fine. Or else we can keep even what the Bridgestone JK tires we have, right? So fine, that's implementation is, here we don't need to concentrate on what we are having in body. So now here clutch, normal clutch. Okay, let me put power clutch, something called power clutch. Okay, accelerator. Now normal brakes here. Let me put what you call disc and smart brakes. Okay, I don't know guys what is smart brake. I'm putting something. Okay, don't Google it. What is smart brake means? So now gears. Let me put here 7 gears. Okay, so this is what, guys, bench implementation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now see,
Yes.
for the car interface, we have what, guys? 3 implementations. Now, if I did not provide implementation for one of the abstract method which is there in car interface. So now see what it is saying. It should throw some compile time error. Why? So in implementation class, definitely we have to provide what? All the abstract methods which are available in interface, guys. Otherwise, our class should be what, guys? Abstract class, right? So that's what we discussed, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? See now the issue is gone, right? See, I did not implement engine. Okay, so that's what I'm keeping what, guys? The bench car itself what? Abstract class. For abstract class, can we create object? We cannot create object for abstract classes, right? So that's why in the implementation class, if you implement any interface means in the implementation class, always we should provide what, guys? Implementation for all the abstract methods which are available in interface, because in interface only we have what? Abstract methods. Understand? In interface, what are the methods we have? We have only abstract methods until 1.7, right? So now definitely in implementation class we have to provide what? implementation for all the abstract methods which are available in interface. Otherwise, our implementation class will become what? Abstract class. Okay, we need to keep by using abstract keyword. Hope you people understood, right?
Yes.
See
Yes,
here,
sir.
these are the what? Benz car and Maruti car and Toyota car, right? So these are the what, guys? Different vendor companies. So now what they are doing? They are providing implementation. They are providing implementation based on what, guys? Based on interface.
Their own requirements.
Based on interface rules. Understand? Based on interface rules, guys. Okay. Now who has to use these implementations? Who has to use this finally this product? Customer, right?
Customer.
Let me create one class, guys. Okay, I'm creating one class, new class. Okay, so here let me write customer, right? Class customer. Okay, class only, right? This one we select class or yeah, class only, customer, right? So now here see public static void main string args. Okay, so finish. Fine. Okay, so now okay, now so for customer, so finally the car is available. So customer also has to know what, okay, how to start a car and how to use the, I mean, brake and how to use the accelerator, right? How to use what you call brake and everything. So how to use gears, everything he has to know. Am I right or wrong? Okay. So now here, so what he has to do first of all, okay, he has to get the one of the car object, either Maruti object or Toyota object or Benz car object. Some car he has to get, right. So he has to drive now. The customer has to drive now. Fine. So now here, okay. Now see, mm, let me write one class, guys. Okay. So here I am writing one more class here. So which class? The same. I'm writing one more class. So now this is what, guys. Okay. Some class name. I'm thinking what is the class name I have to provide. Okay, fine. Car instance. So this is the class name I'm providing. Okay, car instance. Okay. So now, so here what I'm doing, just I'm clicking finish. Fine, guys. Okay. So here I'm creating one static method. Okay, public. So return type is car. Okay, public static return type is car. Okay, so now get instance. Get instance is the method. Fine. Get instance is the method. So now okay, fine. Get instance is the method. So here what I'm doing, I'm creating object of car. Car C is equal to or else car is equal to okay new Maruti. New Maruti car. Okay, new Maruti car. So in the same way, car is equal to new Toyota car. Toyota car we have, right? Fine. In the same way, car is equal to new Benz car. Okay. So now, as of now, I'm just commenting these two guys. Okay. So now here, car is equal to new Maruti car. Now I need to return, right? So return which one car. Okay. So now see here, I hope you people know what is static method and all, right? No need to explain. So we spent a lot of time on that time. So fine.
Yes.
So now
Yeah.
here what? Let me save all these guys. Toyota car, bench car. Let me save these files first. Fine. So now what is the customer, right? So in the customer. In the customer, see here, what I want to do now, I want to get the car object, right? So how the customer can write? Customer has to get what, guys? The object, right? The car object, the real car object. Then only he can write. Am I right or wrong? No. So to get the object, okay, what customer has to do? Customer has to get the instance of one of the implementation class object, right? Either Maruti car or Toyota car or Benz car. Now here what I'm doing, so there is a class, right? Which class it is? Which class here? Just now we created, right? What is the class name? Car instance, right? Car instance. C A N Z. Okay, car instance dot get instance method I'm calling. Right. So how can we call static methods? By using class name, right? So what is it is returning? Get instance method, what it is returning? Car object.
Car object.
Car object only it is returning, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So now here what? Car is equal to, fine. Car is equal to car instance dot get instance. When you call the static method, what it is returning? Car object, right? Now I got here what? Car object. So by using car object, what I can do? I can call, right? So now, first of all, what I have to do? Once we have a car, first of all, what we have to do? We have to start the engine, right? So there is a start method here. I'm calling start method. Fine. So after start method, what we have to do?
Engine.
We have to use clutch and accelerator, right? We have to use first clutch, right? And after that, car dot accelerator. Okay. So then car is going to move. After that, what? If you want to stop, car dot brake. Right? You have to apply brake, right? Right. So before start clutch, before giving accelerator, what we have to give? We have to apply gear, right? Then only car can move. There is gears here. Fine. See, I got the what? Car object. So by using car object, what I'm doing as a customer, I'm doing, I start the car. Once I start the car, after that, what I do? What I need to do? I need to push clutch, and after that gears. And if I give accelerator, then car can move, right? Then if I want to stop the car, I want to apply what? I need to apply what? Brakes. Clear, everyone? So now,
Yes, sir.
okay. So like this, okay. The customer is what? Using car object. See here. Here, see the car, right? So now customer knows anything about what is the implementation of this car?
We don't know, sir.
See here,
No, sir.
customer. This is the customer class, right? So customer class, as a customer, can he see what is the implementation class for this car interface and how
No,
the
sir.
implementation provided for start method and clutch method, gears method, accelerator method, brakes method? Can he see?
No,
Even
sir.
what is the implementation class also can he see?
No.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Can he see or not? He cannot see.
Yes.
Understand? So
Yeah.
here what? We are calling get instance method. Right? So if you call get instance method, what it is providing? It is providing object for one of the implementation class. See here, guys, car instance. In car instance, what we are doing? By using superclass reference variable, we can hold child class object or not? Come on.
We can hold, sir.
Superclass reference variable, we can hold child class object or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We can hold. So that's what polymorphism, right? Come on, don't forget,
Yes, sir.
guys. By using superclass reference variable, we can hold child class object, right? So now see here, by using car interface, here car is what? Superclass for Maruti car, right? So that's what car is equal to new Maruti car. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Car is one form. Car is one car, right? One object. To represent that object, how many forms we have? Different forms we have. One is Maruti car is one of the form. Toyota car is one of the form. Benz car is one of the form. So that is what, guys? Polymorphism. Right? Polymorphism, many forms.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Having same name with many forms. That concept is called what? Polymorphism. Right? Here see car. To represent car, how many forms we have? Maruti car is one of the form. Toyota car is one of the form. Benz car is one of the form. All these forms are talking about what? Car only. So this is called what? Polymorphism.
Yes.
Understand? Now here what? Return car. What we are returning finally? Car object. Right? So now who is calling this method? Customer is calling this method.
Yes.
Okay? Customer what?
Get
Customer
instance.
definitely he should what? Car object. Then only he can write. Right? So in order to get car object, what customer has to call? We are providing one class. Hey boss, if you want car object, can you please call this static method, get instance method. To call this get instance method, customer need any object? Don't need, because this is what? Static method. Static method we can call directly by using what?
Class name.
Class name. Understand? So that's what? Car instance dot get instance. When he call this method, he will get what? Car object.
Car object.
Okay, but by using car object, he can start what? He can do
Start
what are the things he want to perform. Clear? So now, as per customer point of view, okay. So here what? The start and clutch, gears and accelerator, brakes are what, guys? The set of services what? Client is expecting, customer is expecting,
Yes.
right? No, those are implemented already.
Yeah.
So those are working now. Understand? See, in customer, which one he is using? Interface only is using. He knows only interface. Understand?
Yes.
And even if you see the Maruti car is what? One of the vendor, service provider. So the service provider, how they are providing these implementations? By using same car interface only. Hope you people understood here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now car interface is what? Acting as what, guys? Bridge between customer and service provider.
Service provider.
Client and service provider. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Now see here. Where is customer? Yeah. So now customer. Here. Right. So now see here abstraction. Okay. Now see here car. It's client. So for the client, what we are doing now? For the client, see, only he can see only interface, guys. But he don't know what is the implementation beyond this interface. He don't know anything about it. Understand? So which implementation class we are using? What is the class we are implementing for this interface? And what are the methods we are using? So what are the implementations we are providing for that methods? How the logic will be we have written? Okay, all these things. Okay, as a customer, can he see?
No.
Not see. Understand? So we are hiding what? The internal implementation we are hiding.
Yes.
We are exposing what?
Yes, sir.
The set of services. That's it. But we are hiding what? The internal implementation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
To customer, we are hiding completely the internal implementation. So which subclass we are using? So what is the implementation class? So what are the methods we have and how the methods are implemented and what is the logic we have written? Okay. So all the everything we are hiding, right? So by using for the customer, what he can see, only interface only he can see. By using that interface object only, he can call the methods. So this is what, guys, abstraction. Understand? This is what, guys, abstraction. Remember abstraction, the OOPS concept, data hiding,
Yes, sir.
abstraction. We discussed it, right? What is abstraction?
Yes,
Anyone, can you please tell me what is abstraction? Tell me, anyone. What is abstraction, guys? We discussed it, right? We discussed it, right? I'm not asking anything new concept. I'm asking what we discussed already. Huh? What is abstraction? Hiding internal implementation
hiding the
and just highlight the set of services is the concept of what, guys? Abstraction. Right? Hiding the internal implementation and just highlight the set of services what we are going to offer is called what, guys? Abstraction. Okay? So here what we are
Yes.
doing now? We are achieving abstraction or not?
yes, sir. We are achieving.
Right? So here what? We are hiding completely the internal implementation. See, this is Maruti car. Right? What is the subclass here? Maruti car. What is the subclass here? Toyota car. Okay. What is the subclass here? Benz car. So completely we are hiding. So what are the subclass names what we are using? What we created to implement this car interface and internal. So engine method and body method, steering method, what the implementation we provided internal for this methods implementation also we are completely hiding, right? So these are the classes and these are the implementations. Are we exposing to client here? Client means here customer. Are we exposing to client? No.
No, sir.
Just client can see what? Only interface
No.
only you can see. That's it. Understand? So this is what, guys? Abstraction. So by using interface concept, we can achieve what, guys? Abstraction. Okay. So by using abstract classes and interface, we can achieve abstraction. But by using abstract class, we cannot achieve 100% of abstraction. Sorry, by using abstract classes, we cannot achieve 100% abstraction. Why? Abstract class can contain what?
Partially.
It's a partial implementation class, right? Can contain abstract methods and as well as concrete
And
methods.
concrete methods also.
Right? So by if you provide the abstract class to client, so client can see, right? If the abstract class can contain few of the abstract methods and few of the concrete methods, then client can see what is the implementation for abstract concrete methods in that abstract class if you provide abstract class to client. So now that is not fully abstraction, right? We are not completely hiding, right? If you use abstract classes.
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
Yes, sir. Right,
Yeah,
sir.
right.
So now if you use interface means what? Interface contains what? Only abstract methods.
Yes.
If you provide interface to client also, what client can see? Those are the rules only we have. Just method declarations only we have. The actual implementation, we are not going to write in interface. We cannot write, right?
Yes. Yeah, we can write.
So where we will write the actual implementation?
Child class.
In implementation
Child
classes. But anyway, we are not providing implementation class details to client.
Yes.
We are completely hiding internal implementation. Just we are highlighting the set of services what we are providing. Where? In interface. Interface contains what, guys? The set of services what service provider is offering. Right? See, these are the set of services what service provider is offering. Right? So by using interface concept, we are achieving what, guys? Abstraction.
100% abstraction.
Hope you people understood.
Yes, sir.
Right. So by using abstract classes and interface, what we can achieve? Abstraction. So what is the main advantage of abstraction? So what is the advantage of abstraction, guys? What is the advantage of abstraction? So we are not highlighting our internal implementation. Hence,
Security.
what? Security. What we are achieving here? Security.
Security.
We are not highlighting what is actually our internal implementation, right? So then definitely we can achieve what? Security. So you don't know how the implementation is. Fine, guys. So now here, the main advantage of abstraction, what guys? We are not highlighting our internal implementation, hence we can achieve what guys? Security. Right?
Security.
Without affecting end user, we can perform any type of changes in our internal design. Okay, see, without affecting end user, we can perform any type of changes in our internal design, and hence enhancement will become what guys? Very easy. It improves maintainability and modularity of the application, right? So these are the advantages we have. See now, what is the, if you use interface concept, interface means what guys? Abstraction, right? So now, if you use interface concept, what we can achieve first? We can achieve security.
Security.
Right? Because client don't know what is the internal implementation, right? And one more thing, okay? So based on our requirement, we can change our internal design. So due to that, the end user will not affect. The end user will not affect. So here, see, this is the client application. Customer is the client application, guys. Understand? Here, customer is what, guys? Client application. So now, here see, Benz car, Maruti car, and Toyota car, right? And even car instance. So these are what, guys? Server, okay? Service provider oriented implementation. Let's assume. Fine. So now the client application. So now this is the, this is the implementation we are providing. Now client application calling start method and clutch method, gates method, accident. Now car is working fine. So this application is working as expected. Fine. So after some time, here what we are doing, okay? I don't want to use Maruti car, okay? I want to give, okay, Toyota car. To whom? Clients.
Yeah.
Understand? So now,
Yes.
see, I'm commenting the Maruti car. Now I'm pointing, I'm commenting what guys? Toyota car. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Where this change is happening? Service
Internal.
provider. Right? Where this change is happening? Service provider end. Understand? So due to this change, okay, client application is affecting?
No.
No, sir.
This change, is the client application is going to affect?
No, sir.
No. Understand?
Yes.
Still, the client application, okay, will not affect anything, guys. There is no impact for client application. Why there is no impact for client application? Here, we are not using any implementation class. See here, we are having what, guys? Loosely coupled. Understand? Here we are having what? Loosely coupled between components. Am I right or wrong? How can we achieve loosely coupled? By using interface also. See here, we are achieving loosely coupled or not?
Yes.
So here, instead of calling like this, okay. So if you use car is equal to new Maruti car, right?
Yes.
If you do like this, where I'm doing now? In the client application end, customer application end, right?
Yes.
So if I do like this, now yes, I can use start method, clutch method, gates method, accelerate method, brakes method. Fine. Everything is fine. After some time, I want to use, instead of Maruti car, I want to use what, guys? Toyota car. So that time, what I have to do now? Definitely, client application also will get an effect or not?
Effect.
Am I right or wrong? Client application also will get effect or not? Here.
Yeah, effect.
So now in the client application also, we have to change what, guys? Here,
Again,
instead
change.
of Maruti, we have to
Toyota.
change what? Toyota. Right?
Yes.
So this is what, guys? Tightly coupling. Right? See here. The customer, the client application and service application, between these two applications, what we have? Tightly coupling, guys. Yeah. I mean, we are having what? Tightly coupling between the components. Right? If you want to change the implementation class name here, directly our client application is affecting. Am I right?
Yes,
or
sir.
wrong?
Yeah, right.
So that's why, okay, we need to go for what, guys? The above approach. This approach we have to go. Right? So now
Yeah.
see here, in the client application, we are not having any dependency with our service provider oriented classes. We are having what? Completely loosely coupling here from client application and service provider application. Okay, so there is a what? Completely loosely coupled
Loosely.
between the components. Am I right or wrong? See now
Yeah,
here,
right.
if I want to use Toyota car, directly I can enable Toyota car. Right? So if I want, after some time, I don't want to use Toyota car. I want to use what? Bench car. Directly I can enable what? Bench car here. Right? So even this bench car change also, this customer is affecting, customer is not affecting. Right? Is
No,
not affecting.
not affected.
This is what, guys? Loosely.
Loosely coupled.
Understand? So whenever you are writing any applications, okay, you have to keep this in your mind. Always you need, always you have to achieve what, guys? Loosely between the components, guys. Whenever you are using one component into another component, always, okay, you have to see, right, loosely coupling between these components. Okay, we should not maintain any tightly coupling, guys. We have to maintain what? Loosely coupling between the components. Fine. So how can we achieve this loosely coupling? We have to think. In that way, you have to write the logic. Fine. So now,
fine.
here, here see. So here car. See now new bench, right? New bench car. So after that, I don't want this new bench car. I want to use what, guys? New Toyota car. So directly I can change, right? Instead of new bench car, directly I can use new Toyota car. Understand, right? For the car reference.
Yes,
I don't want new Toyota car. I want to use what, guys? Maruti car I want to use. So directly I can use Maruti car, right? Here.
Yes.
Right? This is what, guys? Flexibility. Right? So how can we achieve flexibility? By using polymorphism. Remember the three pillars of OOPS concept. What are those three pillars, guys? One is inheritance. Inheritance means what? Reusability of the code. Reusability of the code. Right? The next one is what?
Abstraction.
Huh?
Encapsulation.
By using encapsulation, what we can achieve?
Data hiding
Security.
and security.
Right? We can achieve what? Security. What is the other one?
Polymorphism.
Polymorphism, what we can achieve?
Flexibility.
See, all these features are we seeing in this application?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Are we seeing in this application or not?
Yes, sir.
See, this is what? Flexibility.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Right? So this is what? Flexibility, polymorphism. Right? So now, here what it is? Bench car. Implements car. This is what? Inheritance. Right? Implements, guys. Inheritance. We are implementing, okay, providing implementation for the superclass methods. Okay? So now, here what? That is what, guys?
Security.
Inheritance. So what is the security here? See here. We are completely hiding what? Internal implementation of the service provider implementation. We are highlighting, right, the set of services what we are
offering.
To whom? The client application. So we are achieving even that what you call security or not.
Yes, sir.
So all these things we are achieving this application.
Yes.
Okay. So like this, interface is useful, right? Interface is using, guys, in our day-to-day Java programming. Hope you people clear on this. Do you have any
Yes, sir.
questions?
No,
How
sir.
to use interface? So when we will
No,
use
sir.
interface? Any requirement, guys. If you have any requirement, right? So in Java projects means we have many projects, right? Different, each and every field we have different sectors. Each and every sector we have different business requirements. So based on that requirements, they offer what? Okay, implement one project. If you take any requirement, okay, so like this we have to implement. So here we are achieving loosely coupling. Here we are achieving, okay, and abstracts and security. And here we are achieving the usability of the code. And here we are achieving what? Flexibility of the code also. Polymorphism also we are using. Inheritance also we are using. And abstraction also we are using. And loosely coupling also we are achieving. Any questions? Fine?
No, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So now, okay, let me execute this class. See, can you see the output here? The console.
Yeah.
So by using key, we can start a car. I think there is a spelling mistake guys here. Where is Maruti car, right? Start. Here. Right. So now, where is customer here? No. Client is, the customer is want to drive the car, guys. Now see, by using key, we can start a car. So normal clutch, 5 gears, right? How many gears? Maruti car has 5 gears. Normal accelerator, normal brakes. Fine. So now,
Yes.
here, I don't want to use Maruti car. I want to use what, guys? Bench car. Let's suppose. Bench car. Okay, fine. So now, I want to use what, guys? Bench car. Right. So here, see, even I'm changing what? Server application, and I change this. Okay. I did, instead of, I changed the implementation class. Instead of Maruti car, I'm using what? Bench car. Right. So even this change also, our current application is not affecting, guys. Our current application will not affect, right? So now see. Now see, by using TR, push or voice control, we can start a car. And power clutch, 7 gears, normal accelerator, disc and smart brakes. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.